huntingwildlife.net, and I'm out here with Brian Fanson. We're hunting for Veterans Day, and the whole weekend actually. But right here is a Turnbull 470. It's got a Nikon VDC scope on it, and we're going to take some target shots, so check us out. What we have here is this is a enhanced shooting system from Center Mass Incorporated. So rather than having a bench rest or anything like that, we're going to shoot it like this because in the woods you might prop your gun up against a tree or what have you. It's a pretty efficient tool. So check it out. And while Brian's doing that, I'm going to be checking out his shots with the Nikon setup here with the spotting scope and the tripod. So I'm going to be watching the shots. We'll be able to tell right where we're at.
Bear round.
Elephant gun.
I see two holes. Look, the side of it, the left side of that log, it's got some big holes in it. Let's see what happens when we back it up a little bit. All right there.
Now we're back at 100. All those are kill shots, every single one of them. All of them right there. All right, let's shoot the next gun. Right on.
Save my brass. Want to cover those holes?
Yeah. All right, there's one rifle dialed in. Now we're gonna get the 475 out and shoot that next. So we're just having fun going through some rounds and getting ready for hunting season, making sure that our shots are going to be accurate. So when you hit them with the 470 or the 475, these hollow points open up to about 90 millimeters. So I guess it's the closest thing you can get to shooting something with a basketball. Right on. Now let's take a look at the remnants down there because he just knocked the block off, the concrete block, so I think that's on. Good shooting, Brian. Last but not least, I can't forget to shoot my USA Tactical Firearms AR-15. It's got an 18-inch bull barrel, 8-to-1 twist, M223 Nikon scope with the M223 Nikon scope mount. I'm using the center mass sniper stand today. Target's at 100 yards. Yeah, not bad. I haven't shot this baby in a little while. It's a pretty accurate gun. Oh, it's right on. Ready to go with the next one.